everybody, it is your girl Allie, and here we are again for another recap in our Chris Sain challenge. Guys, this is the end of week number 27, so now here we are more than half the way through our journey for 2021. And guys, I have to tell you, today is Saturday, July the 10th in the year 2021, if you guys are watching this video 100 years from now. And I'm Allie, and you're watching Allie's View. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Help me get my video trending on YouTube. Oh, guys, I have to tell you, last week was a fun and exciting week in some ways, and then in other ways, it was challenging in the stock market. You guys know the trading week last week for week 27 was actually July the 6th through July the 9th. Because we were closed on Monday in observance of the 4th of July holiday. So we only had 4 days of trading last week. And I have to say, last week was very, very interesting as it pertains to trading. So let me start out by saying, and you guys will see this when you get in my portfolio, the biggest nuisance for me in my portfolio has been, and I am still holding strong, it has been AMC. That stock, as you guys know, dropped all the way down. Some of you might know and some of you may not know, but that particular stock dropped all the way down to $39 and some change. And it shot right back up to $49. And let me see where it is right now on Saturday, where it closed yesterday, where it ended up finishing for the week, because you guys know I have a disproportionate amount of my portfolio in AMC, and it looks like AMC finished out on Friday at $46.23. So you guys already know what that means for my portfolio, since I have a large amount of dollars tied up in it. And I'm actually I am in the Ape Army. I'm in the Ape Army because I do believe that it can squeeze. And I did take some profit, I have to share with you guys, off of this. And I'm also thinking about getting out of a few of those shares and reinvesting that in some other strategies that I'm currently trying. So you guys will get a chance to see what ends up unfolding with regard to AMC in my portfolio. Guys, I have to tell you, overall, for me, from a gain standpoint, the portfolio actually went down. Actually, we ended up finishing the week down about 11%, and you'll get a chance to see what that looks like when we go into my portfolio. However, I'm always looking to talk about things that are positive and share the good news. I am really excited. You guys know I've been taking this course called Trade and Travel. Terry Ijeoma is the instructor, and she is teaching people like me, and some of you may be interested in learning how to read candlesticks, technical analysis, trading, and that kind of thing. So if you're interested, there is a link in the description. She's taught over 6,000 students, and I actually have been trying some strategies that I've been learning from the course, and some of the study groups that I've been in within that. So you'll get a chance to see a bit of that when you look in my portfolio. When we go inside of my portfolio, you guys are going to see a couple of debit call spreads. They actually are a bullish type of a call spread, not just like a naked call, whereas you're able to go in and buy a call and sell a call simultaneously within the same expiration period. So for me, it's been a great learning experience. I actually tried it early in the week. I didn't put a video out when I was doing it because I was just kind of testing the waters, if you will. And I made a couple of $100 on a debit call spread that I did with Amazon, because you guys know Amazon was moving like a winner this week. And so were several other stocks. Now, I did have some success with a SPCE Virgin Galactic call option. You guys know I shared how much I like that particular company and what's going on. Tomorrow is supposed to be the day, you can hear an airplane right now. Tomorrow is supposed to be the day that Richard Branson, tomorrow being July the 11th, 2021, is supposed to be the day that Richard Branson is supposed to be going into outer space, going and testing out the commercial flights where people will be able to fly into outer space and get an opportunity to see what that experience is like. My nephew actually wants to do something like that, and he keeps asking me, "Oh, Allie, do you want to go?" I'm like, the second that I go will be the day that, I don't know, something happens. So who knows? I never say never, but right now I'm not signing up for it. Let's put it that way. Anyway, SPCE, you'll see that I have a debit call spread on that. I got some success last week from regular calls on SPCE that I traded and sold at a profit, so that was a win. I also sold some Apple that I had, won some in Apple, and you'll also see that I still have some live calls in Apple that are still doing really well. And I also tried I am trying a debit call spread on Apple, so you'll get a chance to take a look at that as well. Oh, I have to tell you guys, remember last week I mentioned Luna as one of these stable coins that you might consider? Well, guess what? I told you guys that I bought in Luna, I think at like 514 when I bought it, and was talking to you last Sunday about it on July 5th. Well, today, as I said, is July, or actually I was talking to you guys on, was I talking to you guys on the 4th or the 3rd? Anyway, that weekend, it was a week ago, in the week 26 video. Anyway, this is the week 27 video, and I'm still talking about Luna. I'll probably be talking about Luna for a while because I'm excited about this particular coin. If you're interested in taking a look at Luna, you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just someone that likes the stock market. I enjoy learning new things. I love to find new ways and creative ways to make money, and I really like winning. So with that being said, Luna, I got introduced to Luna by a friend of mine, and I decided to go try it out. It's Terra Luna, and you can also get yourself a get it on the Terra station where they like swap coins and things like that. I haven't delved into that aspect of it. I've just been straight out buying it, and I've been buying it on Voyager, which is another app that you might consider. Anyway, Voyager offers it, and I bought it. And last week when I told you guys about it, I want to make sure I have the right information. I made notes for it. When I told you guys about it last week, it was trading just under $6, and I had bought in at like $5.14. Well, right a few minutes before I recorded this video, it's at $7.85. Now, people are saying that within the year that this particular coin has the potential to get as high as $50 to $100. So for those of you that are following Allie's View and are interested in growing money, who knows? You know, who knows? Who knows? Only God knows. We're just here. But if you're interested in checking that out, hey, why not? It's Luna, Luna, and right now it's not available on Robinhood. So I know it's available in Voyager. That happens to be the place where I purchased it. You can also get yourself, it's on the Terra station. You can download that app and do the alt swapping and all of that on there, which I've got to learn more about that. So stay tuned for more on that as I learn more. But anyway, if you're interested in getting Luna, that's where you can get it. Guys, not a whole lot more going on. Like I said, if you're interested in learning more about technical analysis trading, understanding how to read candlesticks, finding buyer and seller levels, then hey, consider Terry Egioma's trade and travel course. You can get her VIP course for more advanced strategies in trading and ways in which you can make money. She's teaching a lot of people how to make $1,000 in a day. She definitely has taught me a lot. because I've actually achieved that milestone. So it's your girl, Allie. I hope you guys are going to have a winning week next week. I just like to tell you guys what I'm looking at for next week. I'm still looking at SPCE. If this launch goes well and Richard Branson gets out there and it's a success, who knows what SPCE's potential could be. Also, you'll notice in there when you look at my portfolio, I do have a Shopify debit call spread. So I really like Shopify. I have a Shopify store. It's a great company, I think. And I decided to try a debit call spread with them. Anyway, it's your girl, Allie. You're watching Allie's View. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And without any further ado, let's get into my portfolio. Have a great week. Oh, by the way, I never like to leave my videos without giving a shout out to everybody in the Chris Sain challenge. And shout out to you, Chris, if you ever watch this video. Let's get into my portfolio. Hey everybody, so here we are inside of my portfolio. As you guys can see, this is the end of week 27 in the Chris Sain challenge. The trading week was July the 6th through July the 9th. In the year 2021. Shout out to everybody in the Chris Sain challenge. Shout out to you, Chris, if you ever watched the video. And here we are, guys. You can see finished down 11% for the week, almost $1,500, about $1,431 and some change. And here we are, guys. You might remember that I had that torchlight call, and this is what has come of it. It only has a few more days and it will go away. I did get in on this put that Chris told us about, and you can see where I'm sitting on that right now, guys. This is that NEGG put that Chris mentioned to us in the video on Thursday. So we'll see how this thing unfolds. He said Monday or Tuesday it should start to drop. So who knows? We'll see. Anyway, moving on. Apple, you guys remember I had these 4 Apple calls. You guys know how much I like out of the money calls. I paid $68 for them. And they're still doing really well. They expire on July the 23rd, so I still got a little bit more time. I'm going to try to squeeze it for as much as I can. Paid a 17-cent per contract because this wasn't out of the money call, or these call options were out of the money. But you can see I paid 17 cents for it, and it's now trading at $1.06. So had some real good luck with Apple. Guys, I mentioned in the intro portion of the video about the debit call spread that I've been doing or started to try. And so far, the Shopify call, you can see, or Shopify debit call spread, you can see it's making a little bit of money right there. Friday it was up $55. Total Life up $5 because I bought this on Thursday. So basically what I'm doing is I am betting that that it will go up to, I'm hoping it'll go up to $14.87.50. That's when I will sell at maximum profit before expiration. Now you can see my expiration date is July the 23rd. It's best, I think, on these kinds of plays, based on what I've been learning, to give yourself some time just in case. Of course, Shopify is one of those stocks that run. I mean, and it runs pretty fast. I've been trying to identify stocks that have an average true range of, $5 and higher. In the case of Shopify, I want to say Shopify moves, I think Shopify moves at about $30 or $40, if I'm not mistaken. No, excuse me, I stand corrected. Shopify, the average true range is about $59. So it should move into the zone that I'm wanting it to go into, and I should be able to take profit. The break even is $14.84, and I think I make like $400 and something if this thing maxes out, in addition to the money that I put in. You can see I also have one on SPCE, and it's also moving in the right and positive direction so far. Hopefully, like I said, Richard Branson's expedition into outer space tomorrow, July 11th, 2021, will be a success. And this is Apple. You can see what's going on with my debit call spread with Apple. All of these are up slightly. Again, I just need them to, get up. Like in the case of Apple, I need to get up to $150. That's what I'm betting on. And it's got until August the 6th to get there. So for me to max out in this. And then the last one, of course, is Amazon. I decided to try Amazon again. And Amazon, as you guys know, is a runner. I mean, its average true range is about $66 a day. So it should run on back up to $3,770. And of course, I'll make profit between $3,760 and $3,770 if it goes up there, plus my money back. So that's what I've been up to. Guys, you'll notice that I did end up selling out of, I ended up getting out of my Walgreens, those that I was holding. Those are my little babies for the longest. I ended up getting out of them. And I also ended up getting out of Nokia as well, and took some of that money and bought into some of these spreads that you see. So I'm hoping that they'll pay off. You guys already know that the challenge that I've had, of course, has been with just AMC dropping from in the 50s down to where it's sitting right now at 46.23. So you guys can see what's going on there. Over the course of the week, that cost me about $1,500. MMAT Torchlight. You guys know Torchlight has been somewhat of a nightmare. But the good news is, always looking for the good news, remember, they have put a little placeholder here. So they're going to be giving me 200 shares of preferred stock for the number of shares that I owned back in June when they split, or when they announced their dividends. So I'm looking forward to that. Guys, that's pretty much what's been going on with me and what's happening inside of my portfolio. I hope you guys had a winning week last week, and hope you'll have an even better week next week. It's your girl, Allie. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and have a terrific week trading.